Yup. What's going on? It's Friday. What's going on, my peoples? About to open up. Take this truck out. This is my truck. What y'all been doing, man? Just got some new jacket. You know? Let's see. Hope y'all been doing good. Uh-oh, look at the mess. You know, at the end of the day, time to go home. In the morning is when we do the organizing, all right? Guys, carpet cleaning training with Jetty. Hope you guys having a good morning. You gotta get on it and get this rocking, rolling, all right? Let's go. Go up here. Quick turn around. So now we're about to generally get all my trash from the day before. I throw this water out. New mop head. Little essential things that you need. Alright? You know what else you need? A good bungee. Really good bungee. I like these. Sometimes when I forget my belt, I use one of these. But that's what it's about, guys. Hope you guys are having a good day. As you know, we out here in Orlando. And we're just getting the start of our day, man. Getting it ready. Man, I gotta tell you guys about my wand for my tile cleaning. So, I'll show you in a minute. This is not my tile cleaner. My tile cleaner got busted the other day while I was doing the house. I think I have the video. But because this is a little bit too high, this is like 3 inches, plus this gave it another 4 inches. I'm going up underneath the counter, and when I go up underneath the counter, this snapped off. Well, it didn't snap off, water starts spewing to the left. So then I stopped to try to fix it, thinking it just bent. The whole thing just came off. So that's what we're dealing with. Actually, you know what? Let's go look at it. Yeah, man, disappointed, very, very disappointed. I was like, damn, man. But guys, it's Friday. Hopefully you guys have a good weekend. It's been a long week. Yeah. There it is. Bust right on. Yep, still inside there. So that's why I gotta use another one. Piece. Man, this little piece right here broke off trying to get it inside of here. The piece is still inside. Seems like it's this little piece right here. This piece. So I'm thinking probably, well, yeah, it definitely needs to, I might have to take that off. But yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now, man. It's still stuck in there too. These are smooth, but they're too damn high, man. I think I came around like this. I'm like, I've been getting it on here for, you know, for a minute, but yeah, that's what does happen. That's exactly what does happen, man.